What is up, guys? Welcome back to Switch Life Garage. I wanted to show you a product that I had been waiting quite a few months for. It's from SkylerLabs, the same person that I got my Prelude interior door handles from, and also some other parts as well, which I have not shown you guys. Now, I had received these a couple of weeks ago, and this is for the EG2 Del Sol, if you guys are familiar with that car on my channel. Now, these are hood hinges, quick release hood hinges. These have been in design for quite a while. I have been seeing his stories and stuff on Instagram, and finally they're in production, and you guys can pick one up as well. These are one of the first ones to be in production, and these are made out of billet aluminum. You can get them in quite a few different colors, but there it is, SkylerLabs. And man, he really makes some very good products. I really thank him and appreciate him for making these products for the Prelude and the Del Sol. I chose to get the clear anodized look. Now this bag over here is some additional brass bushings which I chose to purchase just in case these ever wear out. And the brass bushings are here in the hinge. You can see that the hinge rests on one of them, and then it pivots on the other one. Now, how you would take out the hinge or the hood off of the car, you would just get a flathead screwdriver and take this pin out, and which would allow you to take it in and out. And as well, which you did include a little tool here, so you just spin this right off. You got a flathead screwdriver, and then on this other side here, just in case you're going to need it, you got little Phillips right there. So you could go ahead and just add that to your keychain if you wish. And then in this other bag here, some hardware to install the hood and as well to install the hinge onto the frame or body of your car. Just take a look at this other piece here. They are slightly different from each other. I do see that there's a flat surface here. This one has a slight bit of a bump. And as well, you can purchase the OEM has like a little tab attachment for the hood prop to keep the hood open, and honestly I don't ever use it, so that's why I chose not to get it. Take a look at this piece, man. This is a quality piece. You feel it in hand, and the way it moves, just everything fits real nice, real snug, just very clean, man. And now with the little tool that is included, just go ahead and take out the pin. Very easy. That just pulls right on out. It does have some little threads on there. You guys can see that. And then here is the other pin right here. So just as if you had the hood onto the hinges, you just raise it on up and then you can lift it. You actually don't need the pins to be in there for it to hold onto the car, because if you notice, you try to pull it off, you can't. Now it's not going to move sideways because of course the hood would hold it side to side, but still can't. And then there, you could take it right on off. So of course the same thing with the other side. Can't pull it off. I'm trying to pull, and then straight up takes out right there. So right there you cannot, and then you pull straight up, comes right on out. So those pins are not necessarily needed if you don't want them to be there, but they are there for your safety or for the safety of your car, so your hood doesn't go flying, just in case. Just another quick look. Take that on off. Got the brass fittings on there. Everything real nice, man. And this other hinge here, very clean, man. Again, thank SkylerLabs for all the time that he has put in for this product and the other products that he produces. You guys go ahead and check him on out. I'm gonna have a link in the description, of course. So let me go ahead and install these hinges onto my Del Sol, and we'll see it in actual use. As you guys had seen right there, I adjusted the hinges, put on the hood, and everything is properly adjusted. Just make sure that you close that gap. This gap was pretty big. Just adjusted the hinge, tighten it on up so it wouldn't move. And then this side as well, just make sure that gap was nice and tight, and everything is all good to go. Everything is tightened up. Of course, you guys saw me just throw on the hood easily onto there. And so real quick, I'm going to show you again, just taking it off, putting it back on. There it is, guys. It's very nice. Like I said, I did have to wait quite a few months just for it to be finished for production use. And it's real clean, man. One thing I did forget to mention, you will have to take off the old bonding adhesive, and so I didn't include that into the video, but I did take it off with the razor blade. Now, of course, this isn't the final installation. I still need to work on this whole Del Sol, as you could probably see. I just wanted to show you guys this product from SkylerLabs. So very easy to use and adjust and install onto the car. Of course, now I don't have a front end or engine in place, so it's kind of easy for me to throw on the hood by myself. But of course, you might want another person whenever taking off the hood. So drop a comment down below of what you guys think of the hood hinges, and if you're going to pick one up for yourself as well. Like, comment, subscribe. Of course, I'm going to catch you guys on the next one.